Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to introduce DellSuite Health, a user-friendly healthcare management system designed to simplify and streamline the clinical and administrative tasks of any healthcare facility. Now let's explore how DellSuite Health can transform the way your organization works, helping you manage essential processes with confidence and ease. Thanks to DellSuite Health, managing these workflows is straightforward. Now let's take a look at the dashboard. Once you're logged in, the interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate from day one. On the right side, you'll see the workspace area, where all your organization's tasks are neatly organized. From here, you can quickly access shortcuts, reports, and master settings. If you need a new workspace, just click the New button at the bottom right corner. A window will appear where you can enter the details, create the workspace, and customize it to fit your needs. Up in the top right corner, you'll find your profile settings, a search bar to find information quickly, and notifications for important updates and events. With Dell Suite Health, you can complete these actions quickly and easily. Now let's take a look at how to use the powerful global search. At the top right corner, you'll notice the search bar, designed to help you find anything quickly without navigating through multiple menus. Simply start typing what you're looking for, and relevant options will appear instantly. For example, if you want to access the patient list, just type patient list, select the result, and you'll be taken directly to that page. With Dell Suite Health, tasks like this become simple and efficient. Now let's take a look at how to manage patients. Under the Reports and Masters section, you'll find the Patient menu. When you click on it, a new page opens, showing a table with columns such as full name, status, mobile, email, and ID. If you want to add a new patient, simply click the Add Patient button. A form will appear where you can enter basic details like first name, gender, and identification number. To add more detailed information, click Edit Full Form, and a new page will open where you can fill out all details, including medical history. Once everything is complete, click Save, and the new patient record will be added to the system. Thanks to Dell Suite Health, managing these workflows is straightforward. Now let's explore how to manage healthcare practitioners. Under the Reports and Masters section, you'll see the Healthcare Practitioner menu. When you click on it, a new page appears showing a table with columns such as full name, status, mobile, phone office, designation, and ID. To add a new healthcare practitioner, click the Add Healthcare Practitioner button on the right side. A form will appear where you can fill out details like first name, gender, and status. If you want to add more detailed information, click Edit Full Form. From there, you can add basic details, employee and user information, appointments, charges, and account details. When all details are complete, click the Save button at the top right corner, and the new practitioner record will be saved. With Dell Suite Health, managing these workflows is straightforward. Now let's walk through how to manage patient appointments. Under the Consultation menu, click on Patient Appointment. A new page will appear displaying a table of all appointments, including title, status, department, date, and patient. To add a new appointment, click Add Patient Appointment on the right side. This opens a new page where you can enter key details such as appointment type, patient information, duration, and payments. If there is a referring practitioner, you can add it under More Info along with any notes. Once all details are filled in, click Check Availability at the top right corner. Here, you'll need to select the medical department, healthcare practitioner, and date. After that, click the Book button. With Dell Suite Health, managing appointments is quick and effortless. Now let's explore inpatient records located under the Inpatient menu. When you click on Inpatient Record, a new page appears with a table showing columns like patient, status, admission schedule date, expected discharge, discharge order date, and ID. To add a new record, click Add Inpatient Record at the top right corner. A form will open where you can fill out details such as patient, status, admission schedule date, and admission order details, including medical department admission service unit type, and primary healthcare practitioner. Once all information is complete, click Save to finalize the record. Thanks to DellSuite Health, managing these workflows is straightforward. Now let's walk through how to manage practitioner schedules. Under the Master's menu, click on Practitioner Schedule. A new page will appear with a table showing all schedules, including details like ID, status, and schedule name. To add a new schedule, click Practitioner Schedule on the right side. A new page will open where you can fill out the schedule details. To add time slots, click the Add Time Slots button at the bottom. A new window will appear where you can enter the days, start and end times, and appointment duration in minutes. If you want to set a maximum number of appointments instead of creating slots, uncheck Create Slots and enter the desired number. Click Add, which will save the information to the time slots. To return to the new practitioner schedule page, click in an empty area and then click Save at the top right corner to finalize. With DellSuite Health, tasks like this become simple and efficient. Now let's see how to manage vital signs. Under the Reports and Masters section, located within the Consultation menu, click on Vital Signs. A new page will open showing a table with columns such as title, status, patient, body temperature, heart rate, pulse, and many more. To add a new vital sign record, click the Vital Signs button. A form will appear where you can enter the patient's vital signs and save them. To update an existing patient's record, simply click on the patient's name, make the necessary edits on the page that appears, and click Submit. With DellSuite Health, you can complete these actions quickly and easily. Overall, DellSuite Health brings all your clinical and administrative tasks into one centralized platform. You can efficiently manage patients and healthcare practitioners, schedule appointments, handle inpatient records, and track vital signs, all from a clean and intuitive interface. With powerful search, customizable workspaces, and simple, easy-to-use forms, the system helps you stay organized and saves time. This allows you to focus on what truly matters, delivering smooth, effective, and high-quality patient care. Thanks to DellSuite Health, managing these workflows is straightforward. Ready to modernize your operations? Book a free demo today and see how DellSuite can transform the way your organization works.